Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding pictures to your videos on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up TikTok and tap on the plus icon and start making your video like normal. Then stop the video when you want to add your image. To add an image, tap on the Effects button to the left of the Record button. In the effects, you need to tap on the effect that looks like an image with an arrow. Your camera roll photos will now appear in a line. You can swipe through them and tap on one to choose it. Now you need to make sure you keep your face out of the view of the camera, or it will place your face in front of the image. You can turn the camera around for this. Hold down on record for however long you would like the image to show in your video. To get back to the camera, tap on Effects again, and then tap on the Image and Arrow effect. Then tap on an empty space on the screen. You can now continue recording your video as normal. You can add multiple images to your video in this way if you like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.